Good morning, Year 4, and welcome to Week 5 spelling. This week you are focusing on, there's 3 different spelling rules. So you are focusing on the graph R, the digraph RR, and the other digraph WR, which all make the sound R. Okay. Now, I have also created a fun little spelling activity for you to complete at the end of our spelling lesson for this week. I'm not going to tell you what it is until we get to it. So let's get started. Okay, the first word that we will be looking at today is the word carrot. And the word carrot is from the red word column. Now, I wonder if you could already identify which type of spelling rule that this word is looking at. Yes, if you said the digraph RR, which makes the sound, you are correct. Okay, carrot is defined as a tapering orange-coloured root eaten as a vegetable. Now, the sentence I've put the word carrot into is, for dinner last night, I had roast lamb with peas and carrots. Now, yes, you can see that carrot in this sentence has the S at the end because it was put into the plural form, meaning carrots, so more than one. Okay, let's look at the sounds and letters that we can hear in the word carrot. So the sounds that we can hear are K, A, R, O, T. Carrot. K, A, R, E, T. Now the letters that we can see are C, A, R, R, O, T. C, A, R, R, O, T. Carrot. You will notice that the digraph RR is making that singular R sound. Okay, what part of the word carrot do you need to remember? Perhaps it is the digraph RR, which is just making that singular R sound, or it might be the letter O, which is making that E sound in carrot. Okay, have a turn at spelling the word carrot without looking at it. Remember what the digraph and graph focuses are for this week. That might help you to spell it. The next word that we are going to be looking at today is the word right, and it is from the orange word column. I wonder what focus this word is looking at. Yes, it's looking at the digraph WR, which is making the R sound. Okay, the definition for right is to mark letters, words, or other symbols on a surface, typically paper, with a pen, pencil, or similar. Now, the sentence that I've put the word right into is, the students were asked to write an information report on Australian animals. And that is very true to a task that you had to do last week. Now, you may be thinking, why do we have to learn how to spell the word right? It's really simple. The fact is, yes, although it looks like it's a simple word to spell, many of you, when using this in your own writing, actually spell it as R-I-G-H-T. Although they have the same sounds, they have different spellings and different meanings. It's very important that we learn that this right is when we're referring to writing in something or recording information. So W-R-I-T-E. Let's look at the sounds and letters that we can hear. The sounds that we can hear in the word right are R, I, T. And the letters are W, R, I, T, E. W, R, I, T, E. You can see in the word right, we have the digraph WR making the R sound and the digraph TE making the T sound. So W-R-I-T-E. Right. What part of this word right do you need to remember? Perhaps it's the digraph WR, which makes the singular R sound, or it might be the digraph TE, which makes the T sound. Okay, have an attempt at spelling the word right without looking at it. Remember, this word right is referring to putting pen to paper. The final word that we will be analysing today is the word broccoli. Can you please say the word broccoli? Now the word broccoli is from the green word column. And yes, this word is focusing on that singular graph R, which makes the sound. Broccoli is defined as an edible green plant from the cabbage family whose large flowering head, stalk, and small leaves are eaten as a vegetable. The sentence I've put broccoli into is, I harvested broccoli with my grandma. The sounds that we can hear in the word broccoli are b, r, o, k, o, l, e. Broccoli. And the letters are B, R, O, C, C, O, L, I. B, R, O, C, C, O, L, I. We can see that in the word broccoli, that singular k sound is actually being made with the digraph CC. And we can also see that the sound is being made with just the singular R. What part of this word do you need to remember? Perhaps it is the focus for this week, which is that the singular graph R is making the sound in the word broccoli. Or perhaps it's the digraph CC, which is making the k sound. Okay, have a go at spelling the word broccoli without looking at it. All right, Year 4, we have reached the end of our mini lesson, and this is the part where I tell you what the fun little activity I have created for you this week is. Okay, yes, I have created a fun Kahoot for you to play this week for your spelling. It's a fun little activity that you can do. I've put a mixture and a combination of different questions to ask. I've got some unjumbling questions in there. I've got some multiple choice questions, and I've got some questions where you have to actually type the answer. So you have until 4 o'clock this afternoon to participate in Kahoot. What I do recommend is that after watching our mini lesson video today, that you pop on out of it and you click on the link in the PowerPoint. It will redirect you to the website and you can just type in this game pin. Okay, let's look at all the words that we'll be focusing on this week. I will click done. Okay, so this week, the words that you'll be focusing on in the red column are across, sorry, merry, carrot, and wrist. In the orange column, we'll be looking at already, right, wrote, wrong, and library. In the green column, we'll be looking at the words remember, broccoli, embarrass, written, and wrapping. In the personal words, you'll be looking at associate, awkwardly, basically, belligerence, and beneficial. Now, these are the activities that you can complete this week. However, if you would choose just to do the Kahoot, that's also fine. Otherwise, challenge yourself and also attempt one of these activities too. I really do hope you enjoy Kahoot this week, and I look forward to hearing you back from with all your feedback in regards to the questions. And I hope you enjoy it. Happy spelling and happy learning, Year 4. Bye.